So, nagbabalik na naman tayo. Ito ang ating part 2. Natin yung bangs na nakaharang yung bangs natin eh. Ito yung ating part 2 mga pre na lalaro na. Dito tayo sa dungeon sa mga nakapanood ng una kong video. Andito tayo ngayon sa dungeon. Nakuha niya yung box tas yung susi. Sa mga nakapanood ng anime, alam nila to eh. Diba goblin yung unang kalaban? Ba't aso na naman? Ay hindi, tama ba? Palag pre, palag. Palag pre. Parang alag nung ano ko no record. Pero sa in-game din naman. Mamaya ayusin natin yung settings.
Damn it.
Damn it.
I believe this starving dog is stronger than me.
Patay yan pre. Combo skill to. Combo skill. Palag pre. Palag. Palag pre. Palag pre.
Get out of my way.
Ship. Ship. Ha? A QTE skill available. Press left shift to activate. Oh.
I won't lose.
Ay, ganun? Left shift.
Get out of my way.
Okay. Hindi siya nagagamit kagad. Left shift. Okay, nagcha-charge. Siguro dahil sa combo yun. Left shift. Ay, matatalo pre. Okay. Aking aso pre oh. Dash.
No matter what.
Hindi talaga tayo matatalo oh. Game. Palag. Mamamatay pre. Laking aso naman ito. Uy, umilag ka pre. Space pala. Alon. Nice. Marunong tayo umilag pre. Left shift. Lakas mo ha. Uy, nagcha-charge. Alam mo ikaw lang may dodge pre. Wala, umihilag siya. Ang galing. Clear. Mabilis ako sa'yo pre. Inaasahan na to ng panahon. Uy, tumaas yung ano ko. Automatic. Di ba dapat pwede akong magdagdag? HP attack. Uy. Essence Stone. Lycan Spam. Okay. Ito. Enchanting Weapon. Okay. Ito pera. Malamang pera yan eh. Ano magdagdag ng stats? Ito nadadagdagan yung stats. Saan nga tayo? Start na naman. Okay. Ito yung stats. Distribute different improvement aspect of combat. 10 points. Okay. Confirm. Blue. So, pwede ako mamili. Pwede bang int type para matalino to si Song?
Looks like I get 5 stat points to become stronger. What should I do next? I can't leave this dungeon till I've defeated the boss. If this is an E-rank dungeon, shouldn't I be able to kill the boss? I could die before I make it that far. No, there's nothing to fear.
Kamatakot. Papasokin mo yung dala mong kasama.
I mean, I've already died once.
Matakot pre, bugbugin natin yung mga yan.
I'll fight for my life.
Okay.
As long as I've
Oy,
got it.
may mga kamay na dila, pre. Combo skill. Okay. Tayo kaya niyan. Buhay ka pa? Dami namang aso dito, pre.
I've come to a realization. If I give
Combo
up,
attack!
I'll die for nothing.
Patay agad, oh? Well, oh my god, steel claw. Ang laking unggoy,
Can't keep
pre.
hiding in the shadows like I always have. If it means I can become stronger, I'll gladly follow these ridiculous rules.
Hindi ka na makakagalaw, tanga. Ako to eh.
Nice.
Ilag. Ilag. Oh my god. Dami mong nilabas na pet, ah.
This is my last chance.
R.
Depends on me.
Ayun, yun ang ginawa nun. Bagbugan. Isong to eh, itong bida, pre. Hindi mo kaya
I
to.
like it.
Try natin yung wolf ability increase now by 40% fighting all against beast type monsters.
Getting a teleportation stone was easier than I thought. Should I go back? No, I don't know if I'll ever get the chance to boost my powers like this again. What will happen to this dungeon if I use the teleportation stone? Will it disappear? So, I guess to keep going would be to let some unknown being keep controlling me. Maybe it's the one down there. I can already feel it. Lurking down there is a monster. I've gotten stronger.
Makakalaban mo na yung palos
It might
dyan.
not be enough to win.
Palos.
Do I go forward or retreat? I will
Palag,
never
pre.
lose.
Palag, pre. Okay, nakakuha tayo ng level. Oh, 5 points ulit, oh. Ano to? Teleportation stone, okay. Nice. Dagdag ulit tayo ng stats. Clear na naman. Agad. Bawal ba magpahinga
Feel
to?
myself getting stronger.
Oh my god.
Is this really Hapjeong Station?
Ito yung mga kalaban niya yun, oh. Yung malaking palos. Ang laki. Oh my god. Hey, pre. Oy, ilag, pre. Kita mo naman, di ba?
The dungeon boss.
Palag ka, pre. Galing tayo sa mga ilagan na ganyan, eh, oh.
Sword's no match.
Get out of my
How do
way.
I pierce through these scales?
Ilag, pre. Kita mo yun? Bilis-bilis tumakbo na ito, eh. Takbo! Pahinga, pre. Kita mo yan? Bilis tumakbo na ito, pre, oh. Palag, pre. Try ko. Ulo to, ah.
It all depends on me.
Talaga.
I have to be stronger.
Boom.
I came all this way to become stronger.
Palag, pre. Hindi kita tatantanan. Aray ko.
Get out of my way.
Kailang sa atin ang unang mamamatay. Ikaw o ako. Aray ko.
Get out of my way.
Lalag yung record ko. Buisit. Takbo. Nilalasan tayo. Okay. Ano mo ba ako, pre?
It's my chance.
Oo, kaya, pre. Palos ka lang. F. Grabe, oh. Kami yung ginagawa niya, oh.
I must have gotten a little stronger,
O,
huh?
diba? Kaya niya yun. Di ba di kinamay niya yung bulate na yan?
We'll never
Yung
lose.
kinamay niya yan eh. Uy, dami ko nakuha. May espada pa. Ayun yung dagger niya. Nakita ko na. Ayan o. Yan. Taas ng damage oh. May bleeding pa. 30% chance conflict bleed on the target when you sneak attack hits. Okay. Pwede. Ito ano to? Refine Venom. Ito. Nasira yung espada ko. Ito natin yung dagger, pre. No feature unlock. Draw. Ano yan? Confirm. Wow, nandito tayo sa South Korea, oh. South Korea is real. Uy, oh. Mga class S na unggoy, oh.
Imhajin, the new hire.
Okay.
We're rolling out a brand new app for hunter registration. Have you heard about it?
Yes.
News to me. What is it?
By using this program, you can easily recruit Strike Squad members and gear your squad's equipment. You're curious, right? Wanna take a look?
Sige. Sige, palag. This is your first time guild to grow. Kailangan ko agad, pwede bang wala? Huwag mo na mag-draw, ganun. Purchase. Pambili to. Okay. Essence Stone. Nagpacket ko. Parang kay Iron Man lang eh, no? Paano-ano na siya ng hologram eh. My god, lucky draw ba to? Uy! Stop. Okay. Okay, mga item pala to. Ana. Uy, dagger na naman oh. Dagger. Espada. Kapangit. No, walang magandang binigay.
Will you join me?
Uy, palag. May dagger tayo, pre. Dami. Puro R pala to. Okay.
I
Daw.
installed it on your cell phone as well. Now you can access it anytime.
Dito yung cellphone ko.
If you find a bug or have suggestions on how it can be improved, drop me a line, okay?
Okay.
Oh, right. In the Hunter community, we use official nicknames for anonymity. Once you decide on a nickname, I'll register it for you.
Okay. Nickname? Ako nga si Song, di ba? Nalagay ko rito. Mr. Song. Mr. Song. Ako nga si Mr. Song eh, di ba? Ay, bawal. Kirito. Oh, di ba? Hindi ka na si Song ngayon, ko si Kirito. Start. Uy, pwede ba magpalit ng weapon? Laban agad. Ang pahinga. Hunter, okay.
Great, let's go together.
Stop mga pre, ayan o. Ito yung part 2 natin ng video. So, putulin muna natin. What's up mga pre? Nagbabalik na naman tayo. Ito ang ating part 3 ng video sa paglalaro natin ng solo level line. Kita nyo naman, ayan. Enter na natin. Ito ang larong walang pahinga pre. Part 3 na agad. Nasaan na tayo? Ah, ito yung part na lumabas na yung ano, yung golem dun sa gate.
Their attacks aren't coordinated. Huh?
Ayan o, diba? And then yung ano niya eh, yung end zone niya. Matalanta pre.
Chewie?
Ayan si Chewie. Chewie.
It's been a week since the incident. Looks like she hasn't recovered yet. Well, I can understand why. No, I must overcome this.
Yes.
Can I be of any help? It might be more dangerous than it sounds, but it's a step down from the boss I fought earlier. Maybe with my power alone.
Tulungan mo pre. Ay, kailangan may babatong ano, yung dagger niya. Right click near monster, lock into. Eh? Okay. Right click. Ano mangyari?
I got this.
Streamline invasion. Okay, let's go. Kung maintindihan, paano yan? Right click daw. 7 lang yung bawat. Ano yun? Uy, ano ba? May ikot-ikot ka na, hihilo ko sa'yo. Let's go. Takbo malapit sa bahiwa. Nice. Palabasin natin siya. Puta kira. Flame breath. Galit na. K-Brock ka pa, ha?
This is the best I can do for now.
Talagang itong the best, pre. Uy, tumilag ako ah. Dapat accurate yun ah. Uy, burn. R.
It all depends on me.
Patay, panis.
I can do it.
Basic pre. Kahit medyo malag yung setting. Nakalimutan ko na namang ayusin. Sorry. Ayan. Nakakalimutan ko ayusin lagi.
I'm going to do my best today.
Parang ang lag kasi nung sa ano ko, di ba? Kaya lang pre, try natin ayusin pre. Lalag talaga yun, inis na ako eh. Output. Recording. Okay, ongoing yung ano ko, hindi pala ako makakapagpalit ng settings. Makapagpalit ng settings pre. So mamaya na lang pre, tapusin muna natin itong mission. Let's go. Ano pre ha? Kaya nyo pa? Ako nga hindi pa eh. Oo, pre, ano. Get out of my way. Ang laki ng gate oh. Anong gate pre? Ito pala yung lugar sa South Korea. Kailan tayo nakapunta sa South Korea pre? Kang bawas pre. Overpower nga to eh. Nice ba? Nice. Kapre. Ayan na, yung boss na to. Ayan na, laki, di ba? Assemble pa lang, Blue Spirit Golem, let's go. Oh? Somebody can with a break the using spirit effect. Completely. Okay. Let's go! Sagaw!
I can just break down his defenses. It's possible. I just need one good hit to crack this stupid rock.
Stupid rock. Sakit ng damage, pre. Aray ko. Takbo muna, takbo. Ano, pre, ha? Kaya mo pa? Ako pa, pre. Ayun, oh. Nag-break na siya, pre.
Get out of my way. This is my last chance. It all depends on me.
Yes. Nice, nice. Invasion. Let's go. Naglalag talaga yung stream ko, pre. Yung record. Invasion. Oh my god, mamamatay tayo na maaga, pre. Takbo. Ilag ka, pre. Matuto ka umilag. Grabe yung kunat mo. Ko. Alon! Mamamatay na ako. Paano ba to? Ang alam mo na, bad. Mamamatay ako eh. Diyos ko. F. Hindi ka na ako mamatay. Nalaban niya pa eh. Binato lang naman talaga niya. O diba? Easy. Ah, sarado agad.
I can do it too.
Easy pre, easy. Ay. Nice, nakuha ko na siya oh. Si Juhi. Tapos may pana pa ako. Di ba benta to? Nice, 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 nice. Pwede bang sariling control na? Assassin job change. Oh. Oh. Tong Jinwoo. Job icon. Enter. Umikli yung buhok niya, tumangkad.
What the?
Hindi ako lang payat eh. Okay. Kita niyo yung sarili niya. Tatalunin ko pala yung sarili ko. Let's go!
Don't give up.
Kaya mo ba ako, pre? Kaya mo ba ako? Ay ko, putik ka. Sakit mo, pre.
Get out of my way.
Eh, wala na. Kaban, pre. Walang atras.
Nice. Get out of my way.
Uy, aray ko!
I got this.
Hindi ako pwede matalo dito. Ako to, ako to. I won't lose nga eh. Uy, galaw, pre!
Get out of my way. This is my last chance. It all depends. depends on me.
Palag. Putang ina to. Tinamaan ba?
I got
Ano
this.
tinamaan, pre?
Nice.
Gilag.
Don't give up.
Lamang yung tama eh. Uy, mamamatay na ako.
Get out of my way.
Wag, yan, pira ulo to. Pre, hindi pwede mamatay ang bida. Uy, palag.
I got this.
Inombom. Tik ka.
This is my last chance. It all depends on me.
Ito na yun, pre. Ito na yun. Dito matama yung skill ko. Pre, talo.
Get out of my way.
Hindi ako tumatama. Yun, tumama din. Ang likot nakaka-bad trip. Pagdilat ng mata, may clean na yung buhok, pre. Naging assassin na ako.
A new gate?
Measuring mana levels.
Please hurry.
Okay. Unlock gates no.
A new gate has been observed. Please recruit a strike squad.
Strike squad.
Go.
You can obtain a lot of resources from gates, but they're dangerous. You'll be
Dali
a
lang,
great
pwede
help.
bang magpahinga ka naman, pre? Tama na yan, may dagger na tayo. Ayun, dagger. Whip. Form. Okay, enter. Uy, naka-hoodie na siya, pre. Naka-hoodie na siya, pre. Manual, F2. Ha?
This will really help me grow.
Ay, ang galing, may auto.
To the front. Too slow.
Tingnan na natin yung auto niya. Ang galing oh, kusang umatake, oh. Oh, diba? Auto yan, pre. Auto. Ang galing.
To the front.
Pwede pala to.
This is the end.
Oh, automatic din yung mga kakampi niya. Okay. Tingnan natin kung paano talunin ng auto yung kalaban. Auto yan, pre, ah. Galing, no? May auto rin siya, no?
This is the end.
Oh,
To the front. Too slow.
okay. Ang galing. Sige, patay mo yan. Patay mo. Magaling pa yung auto sa akin, eh.
To the front. Too slow.
Okay.
Take this. An opening.
Ang bilis lang.
You're an unworthy opponent.
Galing, pre. Victory agad. Ito pala yun, auto. Okay. Puro automatic siya, no?
I'll just get along.
Wala kang kamay, pre. Kulang kamay mo. Ba't siya lang? Hello? Oh,
There they are.
manual. Try natin manual.
Time is on our side.
Nagpalit. Si Jennifer to, ah. Pre, Jennifer, no? Pre, Jennifer tayo, pre.
Should we move together?
No. Let's go. Tiga patay oh. Skip. Yun. Okay. Papalit ng character pag ship. Go! Ilag, pre! Ay, heal pala yun. Ship! Putik ka. Nice one. Basic.
Thanks to you.
Nakuha niya yung espada ni, ni Song. So yun, ulit tayo. Sundan na lang ulit natin ng susunod na part. Wala pa nga pre, nagbabalik na naman tayo. Ito na naman tayo mga pre, lalaro tayo ulit ng solo leveling. Let's go! Anong part na ba to? Part 4 na yata. Pasok tayo sa gate mga pre. Ito 45 minutes? Ang tagal naman ito. When everybody materialized by dispatching mining teams will successfully conquer the gates. Start mining, okay. The automatic will get set on other buses. Go to lobby.
Oh my, great timing. I was actually looking for you.
Talaga? Yorin?
I'm Sorin of the Hunters Association.
Sorin pala.
You've met Hutton, right? Well, Hutton mentioned that she forgot to tell you something important.
Ano
I
yun?
want to let you know about a new support system introduced by the association.
Kala ko basketball eh.
Activity funding. The association will hold funds for your activities based on your rank. You can claim them whenever you need them, so check it out. They'll only hold a certain amount of funds at a time, so collect them often.
Ipon challenge, ano yun? Fund activity? Activate bonus. Special funds. Special for 3 days. Okay, confirm. Uy! 3 days? For 3 days, pre? Ano increase yung weapon? Okay, tara. Upgrade natin yung weapon natin. Level up. Automatic. Level 3. Okay, gathering something. May limit breaker pa pala to. Challenge. Feel free to refer to the challenge. Wow, ano to? "28 days ako dapat tuloy-tuloy maglalaro." Ayan na to. Ay, nakokontrol ko na, oh. Ang galing. Mission. Game. Ooh. Parang pang cellphone na siya, oh. Ang galing. Pero may top up din to. Achievements. Naman pala. Okay, challenge is higher. Select the challenge difficult. Yes! Difficult setting 2. Select the process. Level 4 agad, pre. Ah, meron akong ano. Tampong tries para makapag-pasok tayo sa gates. Parang daily quest, ganun.
I heard you needed me.
Ah, bakit ito yung character?
There they are. This way.
Ba dapat siya yung character ko?
Time is on our side.
Skinny Bear. Skinny Bear to, pre. Hindi nyo to kaya.
Should we move together?
Alright. Pakitaan ko kayo ng SS niya. Ito yung S... Ah! Wala.
I'm behind you.
Natin ka ship.
Blaze!
Nudge!
Even wind.
Ship.
Is on our side.
Ikutin natin si Guinea Bear.
Not a chance.
Eat this.
Go, let's go. Oh, si Balir.
It's
Balir
all
to
thanks
eh.
to you.
Si Balir. Balir tsaka si Guinea Bear. So yun lang guys na for today's video, no. Kalimutan mag-subscribe para sa ating susunod na episode para dito sa solo leveling mate. Right.